Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching MCA New 2014 assignment MCS 214, and in this one we have a passage, and if you need answer of this question, so we have a company of encyclohub.com. So this is my number, so you can contact us on our this number, and you can also share this number to the friends, uh, for if they have any queries related to the education. And the passage is there, this is the meeting is there. Now we are discussing the question number 5. We have discussed the question 1 2 3 4 in the previous video. You can see these videos. Now question number 5 is, in which just read the advertisement below and write your curriculum wide on the basis of it. This is the printer sales executive, South Delhi, for a leading multinational company. We are looking for young dynamic males, females interested in selling various types of printers. The position is based in Delhi and the candidates will be responsible for sales in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Uttaranchal. No experience required, but working knowledge of printers is essential, and remuneration is comparable with the best in the industry and will be linked to performance. So you have to just read the advertisement and write your curriculum vitae of the basis of it. If you want to know the answer, so you can contact on our WhatsApp number. We provide all the solution in a day or immediately also. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.